Clarissa Shields just diagnosed herself, and her list of syndromes is absolutely iconic. Watch this.
I be the nigga up syndrome. I have I love my man syndrome. I have I wear what the want to wear even though y'all say that I can't dress syndrome. Like what make you like how could you say that I have ugly syndrome? I have ugly girl syndrome. What are you talking about? I have get money syndrome. I have I don't bother nobody syndrome. Like how can you say that I have some type of syndrome that you're talking about when I don't bother nobody? I wear what I want. I make my own money. I'm successful. I mind my business. And y'all steady come bothering me, but I'm the one that got no. I got eye syndrome. I whoop a bitch. I whoop a nigga. I love my man syndrome. Cause it's whatever Papoose says goes. Yeah.